Welcome back, friends. Happy New Year 2021. Support tool for the productivity improvements for robot teaching pendant settings. Today's subject useful function of Panasonic robot. The scheduled robot backup, weld process manager, and teaching update log. Friend, this is a very useful function. First of all, we learn about the scheduled robot backup. Friend, we are the working in the production industries and we know the very simple issues for everywhere. Uh, the persons teaching and touch up regularly robot, and sometimes it's improved and sometimes the quality affected also. So this is the schedule backup. You no need to take a headache. This backup is stored by default. So come to the point. It is the function to make a backup of the program and setting data in the controller to the SD memory card located on the main CPU cards in the controller. For the controller, WG and G2 only save onto SD memory of the teach pendants. Friends, in the teach pendant, if you open the back side, there are the options of the USB and SD memory card. Then you put the SD card there and go and set these functions for regular backup. These functions help you to bring the system back into the close to latest conditions quite easily in case of system failure. The setup, first go to set, backup and schedule backup. Schedule backup means daily, valid and time. When you mention the time, that means the daily automatic the system store the backup. Okay. Well, process manager. This is also the very important points, friends. Come to the point. Provides to change welding related parameters under the systematic management. This software consists of one administration and multiples up to 20 supervisors name managers. The mechanism of the functions to manage program change is as follows. The managers lock some operations to prevent those operations from the being executed freely. They also set a code to release the lock of each operations if and the operators in the teaching operations attempts to execute the locks operation. The robot promotes prompts the operators to enter the key code to continue the intended operation. The functions also track and record the key code usage so that it is possible to check when, who and how the target item change. Friends, in this topic, the description, the one administration person and supervisor up to 20. So you are able to define every supervisors and you also prevent the some functions and etc at all. The teaching updated log. What is the teaching updated log? It is a function that record every editing operation. This is the very caring points. Every editing operation, such as the change of top points and weld conditions to a program together with the name of the program and when and how the editing operation were executed. For examples, when weld defect started to increase by the some regions, you can check if the something was the change in the teaching or weld condition and when it was changed and who did it. The recorded data is the output of the CSV format file and therefore it is possible to check the contents on a computer using the spreadsheets softwares or text editor. It is not possible to check the content on the teaching pendants. So please prepare the external storage device to check it on PC. As for examples, the time is the 11:56:56. Program name is ELOG001 and action open, close, delete, rename, and this is the actions. Parameters and parameter 2. The maximum number of the editing operations to record per day varies with present file size. For details, please refer the section settings. It is possible to record the one log file day and store 9 days log file. Capable of the recording commands, target commands are the limited to move the commands and commands related to world condition setting only. For details, please refer the section and specifications. So, thank you so much for the watching till end. Thank you.